Welcome back, everyone. This is 643boxbreaks.com and hat trick break number 147 of 1314 Playbook. Here's our list of winners. We got Jose, Sean, Aaron, Chuck, Doggins, Rich, Craig, Johnny Boy, and the game use slot went to Aaron. All right. And buy 5, get 1 bonus. This time went to Aaron times 3. You're going to get 3 free teams in hat trick customer appreciation break 24. And I also forgot to do your hat trick from the last break, so I'm going to do that right now before I even start this box. See what team you're going to get in contenders on Wednesday night. 17. That is the Panthers. Pretty good. Chance of a Huberdeau, Barkov, Florida. All right. That's the one. Playbook. All right, here we go. Playbook. Serial 206555 1149. Any hat tricks will go into contenders on Wednesday. Oh, it's thin. I think it's thick enough for a book, though. Yep, definitely a booklet. Three cards total. First one goes to Buffalo and Aaron. It's a Ryan Miller, numbered out of 99. Second card from the back goes to Columbus and Chuck, numbered out of 249. That's Bobrovsky. And our booklet going to the Nashville Predators and Aaron, numbered, not sure, Authentic Signatures. Seth Jones. Nice card. Where's the number on these? These ones aren't numbered, I guess. That's the booklet. All right. Bonus time. So, game use bonus. I just started out a new one. The first pack out of that brand new box was a mem card, so there's still one in there. There's still 23 packs in the box. So I started out a brand new game use bonus with 2 cards. First of all, it's a Seth Jones patch at a 25. Real nice looking card from Titanium. And then Ryan Garbett at a 249 from Prime. A couple new cards for the game use bonus. Take this down. All right. Aaron bought the slot. She gets the first pack. There's no mem in this one. I'll randomize between everyone. Here we go. Drew Shore. That goes into the pile. Young Gun. Into the pot. All right, between everybody for the next pack in the box. Number 9. You should see the massive pot that Jack won last week. Probably 50 cards in there. Most of them worth 10 bucks a piece minimum. Some 20. All right, where are we dropping? 9. Dallas. Dallas is Jose. Is Jose online? No Jose online. I will pick the pack out for you. I'm gonna go with bottom left. Oh, field's pretty thick. Ah, they got a stupid one of those. What you call it? Oh, we got a young gun for the pile. One of those game centers tricked me. Olimata young gun going into the pot. That rolls on a week. There's one more mem in there somewhere in the 21 packs that remain. All right. Away. Okay, let's do streaking. Streaking update. Aaron 10. Bill 8. Codfishy 7. Jose 5. Rich 3. Chuck 2. So Aaron, you're gonna get a free team in Prime right now. I'm gonna drop this on the Plinko board. If it lands in a team that is already given away, I'll redrop. 22. There we go. Leafs are gone already. Again. Preds are not gone. You're going to get the Preds. All right, so that's filling up nicely. Now the Washington, Calgary, Carolina, Minnesota, Toronto, LA, San Jose, Chicago, and Nashville are gone in that box. Once we get to 15, I'll auction that off and we'll bust it. All 10 bonuses. Yeah, get out of jail free card. Coming up. Dropping down 12 for that. Rangers. And Aaron. You sure have a lot of these jail cards. You could probably get a team cashing them all in. All right. Next up, Legendary Luck. Showed you guys in last break, but for anyone that just joined, we got a Bauer on the right. Brad Park at a Superlative on the left. Brand new card. All right. Go ahead and name your numbers. 2. Just name off a bunch if you want. I'll just drop them all back to back. See if we can go 2 breaks. I highly doubt it. 1. 30. Drop number 2. Boom. I knew we couldn't go 2 without giving one away. There we go. Leafs legend Johnny Bauer auto. From Classic, from my own personal collection. Going 2. Dropping down 3. For the Bauer. Going to the Ducks. And the Ducks are Jose. There you go, Jose. You and your son will enjoy that one. All right, Prime Duo bonus. So if you buy 2 teams, you get entered into a draw for a Prime team. People that have 2 teams in this break are Chuck, Aaron, Johnny Boy, Jose, and Sean. So how I do this. So, Chuck can be the Kings. Jose can be Dallas. Johnny Boy, you can be the Pens. Where are the Pens? There they are. Aaron can be the Devils. And Sean, you can be the Bruins. There we go. Prime team coming up. I draw the winner and then I draw a chip to see what team you get. That goes the Pens and Johnny Boy. All right. You're going to get Sharks are gone. Just went to Linda last break. Hawks just went last break. Flames are gone. Sabres are there. Sabres it is. There you go. Got yourself Buffalo in a box of 13-14 prime plus all 10 bonuses, so you have a chance to win all the other bonuses as well. Alrighty. Also break 4 for Trivia King, but before I do that, you gotta give away something extra. Of course. I'm gonna do a free box this time. I'm gonna go with titanium. I haven't busted one of these in a while. Here you go, free box. Owners of the teams get the cards. Not gonna bother reading the serial. No point. Five packs. I'll put the thick one on the bottom. Stupid titanium. Packs are like rubber. There we go. Giroux, Horton. Staging. First card goes to Johnny Boy and the Pens. You got yourself a Paul Coffey. Back two. Keith. Suter. Nice. Going to the Anaheim Ducks. Home jersey. Numbered out of 25. Bobkov. With auto. There you go. Nice hit. Iggy. Obi. Must be an auto. It is. Going to Johnny Boy and the Pens. That is the saddest auto. Looks like a little kid. Eric Hartzell. Look at that. Oh boy. It's hilarious. And Kessel. Flurry, Miller. Lundqvist. And going to the Pens. And Johnny Boy. You got to Sid the Kid. Game worn gear. Even those are worth a few bucks. Or Sid the Kid. And now we get the thick one. Get some awesome trivia questions too. Alright. Some sort of patch, I hope. Ryan, and we got a Game Worn Gear patch version. Stunning white swatch, numbered at a 25. Shani from the All-Star game. Going to Aaron in Detroit. Has an All-Star jersey, but it's a Detroit logo. All right. That was pretty good. Hope you enjoyed your bonus box. Trivia time. Trivia King round 4. Here we go. This one I think is easy, but we will see. Name one player other than Eric Lindros that wore or currently wears the number 88. Kane is right. Dan snags that one. Figured Kane would be the obvious choice. Too bad, Mike. No clean sweep for you. And Sakic was also an accepted answer, and other players I could have accepted were Brent Burns, Corey Conacher, Chris Higgins, Ken Hodge, and Owen Nolan. All right, question 2. Name the current Calgary Flame with the biggest cap hit in the upcoming season. Cap hit of $5.25 million. Who is it? Everyone's like, do the Flames have any good players? It is not Hiller. Bouwmeester, and it's not Bouwmeester. It is not Giordano. You're getting close. There's one more. 5.25 million. You guys could have Googled it by now. Wow, I got to do more of these questions. Finally, a stumper. It is not Brody. Give you a hint. Is it a defenseman? It's not Glenn Cross. Google Cap Geek Flames, and perhaps you will find it. Weidman. Yay. 5.25 million for Weidman. Dan. Two for Dan. Yeah, he seems a little steep. I was looking at their roster today and I was like, wow. It's like 2 players making over 3 million or something. All right. Anyway, question 3. Who was the ex-Florida Panther that won the Maurice Rocket Richard Trophy twice in back-to-back seasons? Pavel Bure, Johnny Boy. For M26. If you didn't already clinch Trivia King, you might lose. Sweeping one break helped, for sure. All right. Name that player. Coming up. Giordano is right. Johnny boy. Another win for you. All right. All right, folks. You did well in trivia. However, M26 is crowned the very first Trivia King in Hat Trick Breaks. So every 4 weeks, there'll be a new Trivia King crowned. The points have reset to 0. And M26, you're going to receive a $25 bidding credit towards Hat Trick Breaks. Go ahead and buy whatever you want in my breaks, auctions, bins, whatever. And then if you go over 25, I'll just invoice you for the difference and mark everything paid in the meantime. All right. Thanks, folks. I am back Wednesday night with a break of Contenders and break number 1 of 4 of Trivia King and all the other bonuses as usual. All righty. See you then.